All right, guys. I'm not a professional on this one, but this is what I've been having a problem. This is, I guess they call it a module. That's the part number right there, um, for my tarp. Now, this goes into the power. This goes into the power, and this one goes. This is, I guess, one of them reverse and forward. So the problem that I'm having is, and I'm gonna redo this again a little bit. I don't want to mess too much with electrical stuff, but the breaker is it keep coming on, keep coming on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unplug the tarp system, and I'm just gonna go ahead and test this one out. Just this. I believe this thing is wrong. This is something went bad on the relays right there, because this relay right here keep, popping. So just in case, I thought it was my switch inside, but it's not. I realized it's not, because it's unplugged from the switch. It's unplugged from the switch on the inside. So that can be. So the problem is on this box. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the tarp system out in a minute, just to make sure that I believe it's this box, because I was going insane thinking that I had maybe a cable rubbing against somewhere in there. So okay, just an idea. This is the brand new one. It works. So I tested that and that. That's positive. That's negative. So what I did, I kept my negative here, and I tested this kind. This two right here. You're supposed to have power only when you press this switch inside your cab in here, but I was having powers over here, so there for a reason. It was telling me that something was wrong right here. There's no reason why I should have power over here without the switch being on. So there's so many tests you can do, you know what I mean? But if you have a problem where this thing, your tarp is up and halfway in the air, comes out like that, just go ahead and run some tests over here. Just test your positive, see if you have any kind of power going into this one right here. Most likely I would just go ahead and switch it, because the breaker was keep coming on and on and on. It would keep popping, and it stressed me out, because with this trucks, you can't mess around with anything. Sensors, computer, oh my God, these things are terrible. So just an idea, maybe it'll help you out, but it's the same part number. Here's the old one. Let me give you a better one. I bought two. Right there. So right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to protect all these cables, making it look good, because I do not like the way how this thing is like that. So I'm gonna figure it out a way where to put those things so they don't look like that. Just in case anybody's having a problem with that, test that, because number one is most likely it's gonna be this thing. So all right, have a blessed day. Happy New Year. I decided to mount it to the side of the battery box. I did put some liquid tape around the cables, and on top of it you can see a little bit. And I put some of this stuff to cover the bolt. You can actually duct seal. You can actually get this at a Home Depot. And I did this. I put a piece of rubber on the back of it, just in case, so nothing will touch. So we'll see what happens. Just got to put one more bolt in the, figure out if it works.